really glad we were able to get this deal done. Thanks. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. You know, the best part of my business today is freedom. You see, I have a mobile app from TelcomPBX that connects to my cloud telephone system. Because of that, I can do business virtually anywhere, whether I'm in a shopping mall, in my home, or even driving in a car. That's the best part. And I can take calls from an extension in my office or have a customer transferred to me so I never miss that important call. And more importantly, I have freedom again. You see, I can call from my mobile phone and it appears as if I'm calling just from my office. So I never have to give out my cell phone number again, giving me the freedom of a personal life. That's the best part of my TelcomPBX PBX telephone system. So find out more today about how new technology can benefit your business and give you freedom again. TelcomPBX, local and national telephone technicians. Call us today or visit TelcomPBX.com. We are an Atlantic Business System partner.